Hello and welcome. Welcome to TV Room. David Bradley here. I just did take, and just with a regular pencil eraser, and I did shine up the contacts on this vintage Commodore 64 V-Link, or C-Link as I always called it, because of course, look, the contacts looked dirty. They still don't look wonderful. They're better than they were, but there may be other lotions and potions and things and stuff I could use on it. But a pencil eraser will certainly get off any micro-corrosion that might make this fail. It might. It did have, when I first put it in, it did have a little trouble coming to life. But after I repositioned a little bit, it was okay. Anyway, always, even if you never use a pencil for anything else, keep it around for cleaning edge connectors. That's it. That's all. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye for now.